Types of SEO and its uses. Ever wonder why some websites appear at the top of Google while others do not? The secret is SEO, search engine optimization. Whether you run a blog, a business, or an online store, understanding SEO can help you improve your online visibility and attract more visitors. Search engine optimization, SEO, focuses on enhancing your website to achieve higher rankings in search engines like Google, which in turn drives increased traffic and improves overall results. There are various types of SEO, each contributing uniquely to the optimization process. Here's a brief overview. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website's content by using keywords, enhancing headlines, and adding links to improve user-friendliness. Off-page SEO focuses on acquiring backlinks from other websites to enhance your site's trust and authority. Technical SEO ensures your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easily readable by search engines. Local SEO assists local businesses in appearing in search results for nearby users seeking services. Content SEO emphasizes producing valuable, well-crafted content that addresses users' search queries. Mobile SEO guarantees your website is visually appealing and functional on mobile devices. E-commerce SEO optimizes product pages to help shoppers easily discover and purchase your products. These SEO types collaborate to improve your site's ranking, increase visitors, and enhance user experience. Vertical bar. Mastering SEO is essential for long-term success, whether you run a blog, a local business, or an online store. Want more tips to grow your online presence? Hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more informative videos. Until that, see you next time.